a house that feels like a nest delicately resting in the landscape. With angular shapes and clad in raw timber, Skylark Cabin is a small retreat that molds itself to the terrain, the wind, and the light, as if it had been crafted by nature's own hands. This cabin of less than 50 square meters is located on New Zealand's South Island, at the foothills of the Ben Ohau Range, in an open area of native tussock grasses and wide skies. It was conceived as a refuge for rest and contemplation, a place where everything has been reduced to the essentials: cooking, sleeping, bathing, and watching time go by. The architecture consists of two offset volumes. One holds the bedroom and bathroom, oriented toward the Black Hills and Backbone Peak, allowing the morning sun to filter in throughout the year. The other contains the entrance, kitchen, and living room with closer views of the surrounding mountains. Inside, the contrast is immediate. The interior is lined with light beech plywood, reflecting the soft tones of the vegetation and reinforcing a warm, welcoming feel. Black-edged ribbing outlines the surfaces, evoking a sense of shelter, like being inside a protective cocoon. The angle between the volumes was no accident. It was based on specific viewpoints: lying down, washing dishes, taking a shower, sitting, standing. Each space was designed to open to the landscape in a unique way. The interior layout is simple. On one side, the bedroom with bathroom and a tucked-away laundry. On the other, an open space combining living, kitchen, and dining areas, warm, cohesive, and designed for contemplation. A circular skylight above the bed offers views of the starry sky in the Mackenzie-Aoraki Dark Sky Reserve, one of the most pristine night skies on Earth. Windows of varying sizes, framed in burnt orange, were carefully placed to capture specific views of the surroundings. This color, a request from the owners, also appears in the structural frames of the carport and window trims, creating a distinct visual identity that echoes the bright lichens found in the area. The folded, angular roofline is inspired by the flight of skylarks, local birds known for their precise, acrobatic movements. This influence also appears on the exterior. The cabin is wrapped in hand-sawn larch wood, forming a protective shell capable of withstanding the region's extreme alpine climate. The structure rests on a plinth of natural stone boulders reclaimed from the site itself. Instead of lawn or decorative landscaping, the surroundings preserve native grasses and spontaneous vegetation, making the cabin feel as if it has always belonged there. Everything here serves a purpose. Even the gutters and downpipes were built into the walls to preserve the cabin's clean, angular, and discreet volume. Skylark Cabin is more than a shelter. It's an invitation to pause. A space where architecture fades into the landscape and time slows down. A reminder that true luxury can be found in silence, simplicity, and thoughtful detail.